Hey, welcome back. In this video, we will discuss about comments in JavaScript. Okay, so comments are basically a piece of text inside of the code which does not affect the code basically. For example, I want to explain this particular code here. How I can do that? I can do that by using a comment. But before doing that, what I can do, I can just write something like this logs the message to the console. Okay, now as you can see, there are some of the red lines and VS Code is not happy with me. And now if I just save this file, basically, as you can see, we are getting some sort of an error like, hey, this syntax is not a valid syntax. So what we can do, we can turn this particular line to a comment, because this particular line is just explaining the code. It is not the code, right? It is not the valid JavaScript code. So to turn this line a comment, what we have to do, we have to go just before everything inside of that line and do double forward slash. Okay. And as you can see, this is now just a green text here, which says like, hey, this is a comment. Okay. If I just save that, now as you can see, VS Code is happy again and our code runs properly. But this does not execute, right? The browser just ignores this line, okay? So the browser will be executing this one. Okay, there is a console log, so execute this. And once again, there is another console log, so execute this as well, okay? So this message is totally ignored. Okay. Now sometimes one single line is not enough to explain the code properly or to write a note properly, right, inside of the code. So in that case, what we can do, we can create a multi-line comment as well. So how we can do that? We can do that by first typing the forward slash, then a star, and then star, and then forward slash. Okay, so this indicates a multi-line comment inside of JavaScript. So as you can see, what I can do something like this is a multi-line comment. Okay, so this is a multi-line comment as well. So there are two ways in which we can create comments. One is this one, by using double forward slash. It is for only one single line comment. And if we want to create a multi-line comment, we can use this particular syntax. Okay, so comments are basically the notes or explanation of the code so that our code is more readable. Also, I can turn this particular code to a comment as well. So here, if I just go inside of this particular line and press Control and forward slash, as you can see, this line is now turned into a comment. So if I just save that, now this line is ignored as well. Okay. So if you want to temporarily disable a line inside of your code basically, or comment out some of the code, you can do that as well. Okay. So I will not do that right now. So what I'll do, I'll just get rid of this one and I will keep this one. But what I'll do, I'll just do something like, this is a comment. Okay, awesome. So this is the comments in JavaScript.